So you grab this piece, you put it in the middle and put the shackle over it. Now you put the piece up to the left and move everything to the front. You saw the disassembling in the previous video, but you requested to show you how to put everything back together since it is not that clear in the first video. This is a crazy lock puzzle. It was designed by Christoph Loe and made by Puzzle Master. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to take it apart and reassemble it again. If you like the Crazy Lock puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. First, you grab the frame, you put this piece. It looks like that. There are actually 4 silver parts and 2 like the gold color parts, and they're all unique. There are no exactly the same parts. So you grab this piece, you put it in the middle and put the shackle over it. Now you put the piece up to the left and move everything to the front. Then you grab this piece, the most simple piece in this puzzle. You put it under the shackle like that. The next one will be this piece. You put it from the back side right here and move 1 step up. Then you grab this piece, move it up and to the right. Here you can grab the key, and so you put it like that and up. Then we have the last piece left, this one, and it goes inside from the back. There is just enough space to fit it right in here and to the right. Drop these 2 pieces down. Then you move this piece on the back to the left, and you can lift this piece on the right up like that. Move the bottom piece 1 step to the front and to the left. Drop this piece on the right down. The piece on the back goes to the right, and here you can raise these 2 parts up, and the bottom piece goes to the front. Now this piece goes a little bit deep, then this piece on the bottom goes to the right, and 1 step to the front. This piece goes down, this goes down as well. Here is actually important step. You have to move this piece not to the left but to the middle and move all the parts 1 step towards the back side with the shackle like that. We have to move the bottom piece to the left. This one on the back, it goes to the front and to the right. Then you move this piece up, the key goes up, this piece goes down. Now the key drops down along with the shackle, and then you move this to the front and the puzzle is solved. So there are a lot of steps. I hope you understood what you have to do here, and this video helped you to solve the puzzle. If you like the Crazy Lock puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.